Tom and I come and hunted SYC about 3 or 4 years ago, and absolutely it was a memory that I'll never forget.
And this Argentina thing it is stuck in my head. And so I've already talked to John and Eduardo. This is going to be an annual event for me.
Is it?
Yeah, darn too.
There's no reason not to make it. Everybody that does come down here is going to come back.
I'll tell you from a personal experience, of all the places that I have hunted, El Cortillo is elegant, the service is very high quality, the attention they give every hunter is the same, and they make you feel like it is your place. So Colorado Buck, I wanted him to experience this, and the moment we get out of the airport, head for El Cortillo Lodge, he could see immediately that we were in for a lot of fun.
Boom, boom, high volume dove shoot. What's a high volume dove shoot? Shooting lots of birds. High volume.
Cordoba is the best place to hunt in all the world doves.
Oh! Look at that!
In Cordoba, in the hunting doves, we hunt all the year.